And the reality is, in a lot of white households, they discuss money with their children. It's a part of what they do, just like, going to college and getting married and all of these different things. A lot of times they're very focused on preserving family wealth. Whereas in a lot of minority communities, the reality is a lot of us, that's you and I, Saran, we are first generation being debt free. We're first generation wealth. We're first generation, a lot of us having a degree. I am the first, and I may actually still be the only person in my family that has a undergraduate degree. I have a master's degree as well, but I don't even think anyone else in my immediate family has a undergraduate degree. So a lot of us, we are the first. And so when you just look at it from a historical standpoint, we didn't have those conversations growing up. Therefore, we started at a disservice.